Lawyers have lost faith in this government body to appropriately fund them. They've lost faith that anybody cares what troubles they face. I think law enforcement has lost faith.
Try, and try again. Harris County District Attorney Kim Ogg demanding for at least the 6th time, and on this occasion finally getting more than $7 million to pay her obscenely overworked prosecutors. The vote on Commissioner's Court was 4 in favor, 0 opposed, with Judge Lena Hidalgo abstaining while also complaining.
And the word defunding is being thrown around in a theatrical fashion when folks know for a fact, you can see the bar graph, the funding has only gone up. And I'm sorry for the folks that are being misled because it's really sad. I'm sorry you're wasting your time.
Average load for each Harris County prosecutor, more than 500 cases. Panel, what's your point? Starting with you, Sue Lovell.
Well, as I said before about the district attorney, you go, girl. I mean, what you have seen now is our district attorney there with law enforcement behind her, standing in front of Commissioner's Court, demanding that they put more money to keep our citizens safe. And I applaud her for going and doing it and getting the money. And they better put the money in the bank so she can spend it and not play this game of we'll give it to you and not. But I was very proud of him for going there and doing that. And I, you know, she's a good leader. And if Lena's going to go toe to toe with Kim Ogg, that's a fight. I don't think you're going to win.
Tamara Bell, what's your point?
Listen, I came down there on Tuesday to support Kim and Tanisha Hudspeth and Ann Bennett Harris against the attacks that they're having against competent leadership. That's what's going on. They're attacking the competent and want to defend the incompetent. Why? Because as they say, crime, no crime. So they supporting them, but not the people who should be supported. And I agree with you, Sue. They better give her the money this time because, you know, the public is being fooled, and I don't want y'all to be fooled. Girl, spare me. What the hell wrong with you? People can see through you, okay? You are an evil little heifer. I'm telling you, like my grandmama say, you's an evil little heifer, and they need to watch you because you don't care what happens, how many people get murdered, how many people get raped, how many people get robbed. You don't care.
Gary Pollan, you have a first-person look every day at what it's like for those prosecutors. 30 seconds.
It's breathtakingly difficult. And actually, I think the average caseload for felony prosecutors is almost over 700, which is impossible to do. So they desperately need help, that's for sure. Contrast that with what the Commissioner's Court have done for the public defenders. They raised their budget by almost 50% for the new year by $10 million when they weren't even asking for the money. And now they're creating new things to do, and their average caseload is under 100. So it's impossible for these poor prosecutors to do their job. Plus, you add the new discovery requirements that we put into place, which we want to do to make sure that the videos and the body cams are provided in every case. Think, these are like hours of body cams. Think of what a prosecutor has to do to review all this stuff to even understand what they have. It's impossible. $7 million is a drop in the bucket. They actually need more. We probably need a prosecutor's office that's 3 times the size that we have now, given our population and our runaway crime rates.
Take it, Bill King.
Well, I can promise you this, political consultants for Vidal Martinez and Alexander Miller are licking their chops at the video you just played. I mean, you talk about a made-for political campaign moment. I mean, you've got a Democratic DA, a Democratic senator, and 2 Democratic commissioners both voting the other direction. And then she doesn't have the courage and conviction to vote against it. I mean, if you really believe that, vote no, but instead takes this sort of coward's way out of saying, well, I'm going to abstain from it. I mean, it is going to be a great TV ad for either Martinez or Miller.
Bob, concise, sum up.
All right, so 3 years ago, if you'd have told these law enforcement officials that they were going to be standing behind Kim Ogg, they'd have laughed at you, just like Sue just did. So Lena has done a great job of uniting law enforcement against this criminal lawlessness that's going on.